What's up everybody? Thanks so much for tuning into my channel again. This is Cutie Pie 88. So I am here with a what lace wig. I absolutely love these wigs. This is the Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig and her name is Morgan. She is a straight almost everyday unit. She's a 13 by 6 unit. I'm just gonna hop right into the review, you guys, because you guys have got to see this unit. It is color number 2, and once again, Morgan. This is the style card, and let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing of Morgan. So they're showing y'all here that the lace is undetectable and it's 100% premium fiber, so this is synthetic. But Cloud 9, y'all, the absolute best synthetic wigs to buy, not only because of the lace but because of the hair as well. Absolutely beautiful. I love the lace on this, and the knots are very, very small. Of course, it's not an absolutely perfect wig, but the lace is thin, it's comfortable, and as you can see, the closure area, the hair in the closure area is not dense at all, and it does come with baby hair. This is a really, really quality synthetic unit, you guys. It's breathable, the cap is breathable, and it's just a really nice quality wig. Just giving you some up close shots of the lace. Swiss lace, very, very nice, especially to be a synthetic wig. So one more look before we actually start to put her on. So what I'm going to do, I actually use contour powder to color my lace, because it seems like the skin on my forehead is a lot darker than on my face. So I use a dark contour powder, and that just helps keep like the shadows and the kind of white looking lace away, just to put a darker powder. So I don't do the bald cap or anything, because I don't really plan on wearing this wig for a long period of time. When I go to sleep, I like to take them off. But I didn't even bother to color the cap. I just threw this on, you guys. I wanted you to see that you can literally throw it on and go. Well, throw it on is gonna need some, a little bit of, you really don't need to pluck this, but it's just going to need a little bit of tweaking before you can wear it out. But beautiful unit. I love how the hair falls on the closure. It's very flat. That's what I like about it. It's very flat, and the hair moves on the closure very nice, and it looks very natural. It looks very realistic. As you can see me parting it, like, look at this, y'all. This looks like a human hair unit. So I'm grabbing my paddle brush. This is my Revlon paddle brush, and I'm just kind of molding the curls to see how they fall. I decided to do a side part, but you can definitely do a middle part as well. The closure area is not huge. I'll leave all the details below as far as the dimensions of the closure and everything like that. But this is the length on her. She is long, y'all. I would say about 26 to 28 inches. I'm 5'9", and it's definitely below my chest. And just working on these curls, and y'all, when I tell you, you have to feel this hair, oh my goodness, it is absolutely beautiful. It's so soft. So I just wanted to pull the hair back, and I'm going to cut the lace off first. Some ladies keep the lace on and lay it down. I could have done that, but as you can see, I have a low forehead, so sometimes I just play with each way. This time I just decided to cut it off first, and then I'll lay it down after the lace is cut. But y'all just stay tuned to see how I lay down this unit. And I just wanted to show you guys that because I have a low hairline, what I'm doing, I'm pulling my edges out in front of the lace. That way when I go to lay it down, it's laying on my skin and not my hair. So after I cut the lace, I am putting a little bit more of the darker contour powder around my forehead on the lace just to take that shadow away. So of course I'm going to lay her down with my trusty dusty Eben lace spray. This is the best lace spray, especially if you do like to take your wigs off at night. It's a stronghold during the day and it's definitely sweat proof, but if you want to take it off at night, put a little alcohol on it and it comes right off. So y'all stay tuned to see how I lay her down and style her, and stay tuned for my final thoughts. So I am all done, you guys. I wanted to give you guys a close-up of this lace. It's absolutely gorgeous. So pay no attention to my skin, y'all. I've been breaking out, but look at this lace. Now you can see where I rubbed my makeup off because I cleaned the area with alcohol before I laid it down. Ignore that, y'all. This hair is the bomb. Definitely check out the link below to this unit. Check out blackhairspray.com and all of their other units. This is a beautiful everyday unit. So soft. The lace is absolutely amazing. Really nothing bad I can say about this unit. Definitely 9.5 out of 10. Check her out, y'all. Link below. Barely no shedding on this unit. barely no tangling, definitely check her out. Once again, link below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see all of my videos as they come up. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Peace out. Have a great day. Bye.